say final costing, AMA, that is old syllabus. Packet size book. Quick revision. So in our packet size book, all post exam questions, point wise presentation is there. So we'll have a quick revision. The first half of the book, all theories will be there. All the theories are post exam question. And second half of the book, for your quick reference, formulas and other formats will be there. Formulas for standard costing, marginal costing, all the topics, formulas and the formats will be there. So you can make use of these formulas and formats. Day before exam, it's a wonderful tool for you for your quick revision. Now we'll have a quick revision of our theory part. All the theory I have converted into point-wise presentation. To develop the point, you have to refer our LMR book. So that you can be the person to write the sufficient drafting also properly how to draft. The sufficient points you can write. But in examination, number of points also equally important. So all the side heading, what are all the points you have to remember to create all the develop the points will be there in the packet size book. So the quick revision. 6 stages in implementation of target costing. Everything post exam question only. The first question, 6 stages in implementation of target costing. Create a project charter, obtain a management sponsor, obtain budget, assign strong team manager, enroll full-time participants, use project management tools. These are all the 6 stages with respect to implementation of target costing. 3 control points in target costing: principal control point, point of go or non-go decision, and a timer point. 6 business functions in value chain analysis: research and development, design, production, marketing, distribution, customer service. The first 3 things called internal and the remaining 3 is called external one. 2 types of activities in value chain analysis: primary activity and supporting activity. 2 ways of competitive advantage: low cost advantage and differentiation advantage. 3 strategic frameworks of VCA: industrial structure analysis, core competence analysis, and segmentation analysis. 2 cost drivers in VCA: structural cost driver and executional cost driver. 2 cost drivers in ABC: resource cost driver and activity cost driver. Students used to interchange the 2 questions. Value chain analysis as well as ABC cost drivers are there. In VCA, structural and executional cost driver. Structural is a long-term cost driver, executional is a short-term cost driver. Whereas in ABC, 2 cost drivers are resource cost driver and activity cost driver. 2 types of cost in VCA: value added cost and non-value added cost. 4 phases in product life cycle: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. 11 stages in product life cycle. Again, student used to interchange the answer: stages in product life cycle and phases in product life cycle. For your easy reference, I have given numbers: 4 phases, 11 stages. In examination, they won't give the number. How many points you have to be remembered. So in exam, explain stages in product life cycle only they'll ask, or phases in product life cycle only ask. Whenever asking the question, stages in product life cycle, student used to write the phases in product life cycle. You should be very careful. 4 phases and 11 stages. 4 phases, introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Whereas 11 stages are there: market research, specification, designing, prototype manufacturing, development, tooling, manufacturing, selling, distribution, product support, and decommissioning or replacement. These are all the 11 stages in product life cycle. I again the clue how to remember all the 11 stages by way of what before you are going to start one business. if I'm going to appoint the person, what and all we have to do. The same manner, if you can remember, all the 11 stages easy for you. 5 prerequisites of interfirm comparison. It's a very frequently asked question. Willingness, trust, exchange of idea, scope for improvement, and uniformity. 4 prerequisites of interfirm comparison. That is also a frequently asked question. Center, membership, collection of information, method of collection. 3 advantages of interfirm comparison: advantages to industry, advantages to member, and advantages to others. 2 main characteristics of service sector costing: labor intensive, cost unit is difficult to identify. 3 methods of service sector costing: job costing, process costing, and hybrid costing. 2 common pitfalls in relevant costing: all variable costs are relevant and all fixed costs are irrelevant. Kindly refer the question. Common pitfall, nothing but commonly committed mistake. Therefore, whenever you are going to develop the answer, the first one is all variable costs are relevant. You have to write, no, that is not correct. You have to write. Similarly, second one, all fixed costs are irrelevant cost. You have to write, no, fixed cost also relevant cost, variable cost also irrelevant cost. In that manner, you have to write the answer. So I will repeat: 2 common pitfalls in relevant costing: all variable costs are relevant cost and all fixed costs are irrelevant cost. 4 types of hierarchy in ABC, also called 4 types of activities in ABC: unit level activity, batch level activity, product level activity, and facility level activity. 3 key elements of ABB: types of work, quality of work, quantity, and cost of work. Can you please tell me what is called the ABB?
Activity-based budgeting.
Very good. Activity-based budgeting. Good. 4 roles of JAT to eliminate wastage of resources: reduction in inventory level, reduction in wastage of time, reduction in scrap rate, and reduction in overhead cost. 4 roles of JAT in time reduction: storage time, inspection time, handling time, and queue time. 5 stages in benchmarking: planning, collection of data, analyzing, recommendation, and reviewing. 6 types of benchmarking: competitive benchmarking, strategic benchmarking, global benchmarking, process benchmarking, internal benchmarking, and external benchmarking. 7 code of conduct in benchmarking: principle of legality, principle of exchange, principle of confidentiality, principle of first party contract, principle of third party contract, principle of preparation, and the principle of usage. 4 prerequisites for benchmarking: support from top management, clarity in scope of work, availability of sufficient resources, communication to stakeholders. 3 key measures of TOC: throughput contribution, operating cost, and investment. What minus what is equal to throughput contribution? What minus what is equal to
selling price minus throughput variable cost.
Selling price minus
that variable cost.
Raw material cost alone. Selling price minus raw material cost. 4 perspectives of balance scorecard: customer perspective, internal business perspective, innovation perspective, also called growth, and financial perspective. 4 categories of indirect cost under DPP. What is called DPP?
Direct product profitability.
Yes. 4 categories of indirect cost under DPP: overhead, volume related cost, product batch cost, and inventory finance. 5 data required for successful MRP: master production file, master production schedule, bill of material file, inventory file, routing file, and master part file. 2 prerequisites for successful MRP: strict adherence to schedule, accurate database. 3 core concepts of TQM: quality control, quality assurance, and quality management. Out of which one is past, which one is present, and which one is future?
Quality control is past, quality assurance is present, quality management is future.
Good. 4 types of quality cost: prevention cost, appraisal cost, internal failure cost, and external failure cost. Prevention plus appraisal cost is called conformance cost. Internal failure and external failures are called non-conformance.
Non-conformance.
Next, 9 dimensions of TQM: features, conformance, aesthetics, durability, performance, reliability, response, reputation, and service. 5 stages in TQM: identification of customer, expectation of customer, decision making, problem, benchmarking, feedback, implementation, and improvement. PRICE stands for problem, ranking, analyzing, innovation, solution, and evaluation. Then, any 4 inclusions in dimming point. Totally, how many dimming points are there?
14 dimming points.
14 dimming points. Okay. First one, create consistency towards improvement, adopt new philosophy, move towards single supplier, institute leadership. Any 3 exclusions in dimming point: cease dependent on inspection, remove barriers to the pride of workmanship, and drive out fear. 4 stages of Shawat cycle. Shawat cycle also called alternative name
PDSA cycle, PDCA cycle.
or dimming wheel. 4 stages in Shawat cycle, also called dimming wheel, or PDCA cycle or PDSA cycle: plan, do, study, and act. Also called plan, do, check, and act. 6 essential requirements of TQM: commitment, culture, control, cooperation, continuous improvement, and customer focus. 4 fundamental principles of TQM: people, process, problem, and preparation. 3 main objectives of transfer pricing. First one, it emphasizes on overall company's profitability. Second one, maximum utilization of unused capacity. And third one, optimum allocation of financial resources. Next, 3 methods of transfer pricing: cost-based transfer pricing, market price-based transfer pricing, and bargaining, also called negotiated transfer pricing. 5 types of cost-based transfer pricing: variable manufacturing cost, actual manufacturing cost, full cost, standard cost, cost plus markup. Next, 2 proposals for removing TP conflict: dual rate transfer pricing and 2-part transfer pricing. 3 different market structure in pricing decision: monopoly market, oligopoly market, and perfect market. Then 2 types of competitive pricing: going rate pricing and sealed bid pricing. 2 types of market entry pricing strategy: skimming pricing strategy and penetration pricing strategy. 4 types of price discrimination: based on customer, price discrimination based on customer, price discrimination based on product, price discrimination based on place, and price discrimination based on time. 2 types of price for non-cost reason: price discrimination and peak load pricing. 6 types of BEP chart: contribution BEP chart, cash BEP chart, control BEP chart, analytical BEP chart, product-wise BEP chart, and profit graph BEP chart. 5 methods of segregation of semi-variable cost: graphical method, analytical method, high point, low point method, least square method, and comparison method. 3 main non-cost factor for shutdown decision: interest of the workers, competition, and depreciation. 3 methods of disposal of variance in standard costing: write off all the variance in costing P&L account, distribute the variance on pro rata basis to cost of sales, WAP, and finished goods. And third one, write off quantity variance in P&L account, whereas price variance pro rata basis. Three methods of accounting procedure in standard costing: partial plan, single plan, and dual plan. Threefold assumption in cost reduction: permanent saving, savings in cost per unit, and quality of the product remain unaffected. 7 circumstances in which it may be justifiable to fix the selling price below marginal cost. One is perishable product. Second one, stocks have been accumulated in large quantity. Third one, to boost the sales of another product. Fourth one, to popularize a new product. Fifth one, to capture foreign market. Sixth one, to avoid shutdown costs. And last one, to capture prospective market. Then 12 major areas of decision making in which differential costing is used. Based on the many practical questions are there. The 12 major areas are make or buy decision, whether to process further or not, dropping or adding a new product line, making the best use of investment made, acceptance of another order from a special customer at a lower price, acceptance of additional order from a special customer at a lower price, opening a new territory, sales territory, submitting tenders, lease or buy decision, equipment replacement decision, capital expenditure decision, sales mix decision, and production planning. 5 limitations of zero-based budgeting: availability of skilled labor, time consuming, costly, create various operational problems, require full support of top management. 2 ways of cost plus markup transfer pricing: as a percentage of full cost and as a percentage of capital employed. Then 7 main disadvantages of treating division as a profit center. This question also most important question. Incremental profit of the transferring division is equal to the incremental cost of the recipient division. Second one, affect cooperation between the division. Next, it leads to lack of harmony, duplication of staff activity, top management loses control, risk of mistake committed by the divisional managers, difficult to identify the profit center. 4 main reasons for ABC or 4 needs of ABC. First one, production overheads are high in relation to direct cost. Second one, great diversity in product range. Third one, product use different amount of overhead resources, and computation of overhead resources not primarily driven by volume. Next, 4 main area where ABC can be used as a decision making tool: PQM, product profitability decision, facility and resource expansion, and HR decision. 5 major applications of Pareto analysis: product pricing, customer profitability analysis, ABC analysis, activity-based costing, and quality control. 4 major problems in backflushing. Backflushing comes under which topic? Good response.
Just in time, sir.
Just in time. Yes. What are the 4 main problems with respect to backflushing? Total production quality must be absolutely correct. All abnormal scrap must be tracked. Lot tracing is difficult and difficult to maintain accurate set of inventory record in warehouse. Then 4 major key business process focused by BPR, business process re-engineering. First one, simplification. Second one, cost reduction. Third one, quality improvement. And the last one, customer satisfaction. 4 benefits of DPP: better cost analysis, better pricing decision, better management of store space, and rationalization of product range. 5 major constraints on throughput accounting. First one, competitive selling price. Second one, timely delivery of product to the customer. Third, lack of product quality. Fourth one, lack of reliable material supplier. And last one, shortage of production resources. 4 main supporting activities of VCA: procurement, technological development, human resource management, and infrastructure. Very commonly committed mistake. Procurement means immediately student will write it's a primary activity. It's not a correct one. As per VCA, value chain analysis, procurement comes under the supporting activity, not in the primary activity. 3 major groups of variance in standard costing: efficiency variance, price variance, and volume variance. 2 parts in 2-part transfer pricing: marginal cost plus transfer pricing, lump sum fixed cost transfer pricing. 2 ways of transfer pricing in dual rate system: variable cost plus opportunity cost, full cost plus profit. Then 4 ways of pricing in service sector: supply and labor billing, pure labor billing, cost plus pricing, service overhead based billing. 4 disadvantages of inter-firm comparison. First one, secrecy will be lost, middle management not convinced, information may not be reliable, and a suitable basis may not be available. 3 problems in adopting ABC in service sector: difficult to specify cost object, difficult to identify cost driver, and expensive. 5 benefits of ABM. ABM stands for
Activity-based management.
Okay. 5 benefits. It focuses on cost reduction, aids to improvement in ABB, help for clear understanding of business process costing, help management in decision making, helps to identify key resources. 4 advantages of target costing. 5 advantages of target costing: aids to plan for production and marketing, enhance employee awareness and empowerment, partnership with the supplier, minimize non-value added activity, helps to select low cost value added activity. Any 4 cost reduction techniques: value engineering, value analysis, time and motion study, job evaluation, merit rating, even Kaizen costing also. 2 conditions to be satisfied for relevant costing: occur in the future, different among the alternative course of action. So these are all the past exam question for your quick revision. Second half of the book, kindly refer. All formulas as well as formats are there. So kindly refer. So that day before exam, if you are going to refer quickly, you can cover the entire theory as well as formulas and all. Okay.